Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can address Roblox Error Code 279. Start by resetting network connections through Command Prompt. Open the computer search and find CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Choose Run as Administrator. Enter ipconfig flush DNs to clear the DNS cache. Input netch winsock reset to reset the winsock catalog, then exit Command Prompt by typing exit and pressing Enter. Adjust DNS settings by searching for network connections in the computer search. Opening properties of your active network connection. Finding Internet Protocol version 4 and clicking it. Opt for use the following DNS server addresses and enter the preferred DNS server as 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS server as 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save the changes. Lastly, restart your computer to apply these changes. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.